Good morning, everyone. This is Group 1. I am Midshipman Alfonso.
And Midshipman Agana.
Midshipman Barbola.
Midshipman Malar, Midshipman Lia, Midshipman Bayot.
So, this is our title, topic research. Assessing risk of pollution using radar and visual observation. Introduction. The assessment of pollution risk is a critical component in navigation for both maritime and aerial operation. With the increasing efficiency in traffic, airspace, and waterways, the need for ultimately collision avoidance system has become paramount. This document explores the methodologies employed in assessing collision risk, focusing on the use of radar technology and visual observation techniques.
So, discussion. Radar technology in pollution risk assessment. Radar system play a crucial role in detecting and tracking objects in the vicinity of a vessel or aircraft. The primary functions of radar is the pollution avoidance and detection. Radar emits the mass of objects, allowing for the detection of marine vessels or aircraft traffic. Radar system can track the movement of undetected objects, providing continuous updates on their position and speed. Pollution detection by analyzing the paths of detected objects. Radar system can detect potential pollution scenarios. That involves calculating the closest point of approach, CPA, and time to CPA, TCPA for accurate risk assessment, integration with other systems. Modern radar system often integrate with automatic identification system or AIS and other navigation aids, enhancing situation awareness and decision-making capabilities.
Visual observation techniques. Despite the advancement in radar technology, visual observation remains an essential method for assessing collision risk, particularly conditions where radar may be less effective, such as poor weather conditions. Visibility can be significantly reduced in fog, rain, or snow, making radar less reliable. Close quarters navigation in confined waters or during low speed maneuvers, visual observation is critical for detecting smaller vessels or obstacles that radar may miss. Situational awareness. Pilots and mariners are trained to maintain a constant lookout, using visual views to assess the behavior of other vessels and environmental conditions.
The importance of combining methods. The most effective pollution risk assessment utilizes a combination of radar and visual observation. This dual approach allows for reduction if one system fails to provide reciprocate information, the other can confiscate, enhance situation awareness. Finding data from both methods provide a more comprehensive understanding of the surrounding environment, improve discussion, making the integration of radar and visual observation allow the navigators to make informed decisions based on real-time data.
Conclusion. Assessing the risk of collision using both radar and visual observation techniques is essential for ensuring safety in navigation. While radar technology provides robust detection and tracking capabilities, visual observation remains a vital skill for pilots and mariners, particularly in challenging conditions. The combination of these methods enhance situational awareness and aids in effective collision avoidance.
Recommendation. In road collision risk assessment.
avoidance strategies. The following recommendations are proposed: training programs, enhanced training for pilots and mariners on the effective use of radar alongside visual observation techniques. Technology upgrades, invest in advanced radar system that integrate with other navigational aids to provide comprehensive situation awareness. Regular drills, conduct regular collision avoidance drills that simulate various scenarios to improve response times and decision-making skills. Data control to improve collective situational awareness and enhance safety protocols.
So, so that's all, sir. Thank you.